If you think Turnitin is just a simple plagiarism checker, you're seriously underestimating it. Because in 2026, this tool is one of the most used and most debated AI detection systems in education. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how to use it to check plagiarism and detect AI content the right way, while also understanding its real strengths and limitations. Turnitin is an academic integrity platform used by schools and universities around the world, and its main job is to scan your submitted work and compare it against a massive database of academic papers, student essays, websites, and published research to find matching content and generate a similarity report that shows how much of your text overlaps with existing sources. To use it, students usually don't access it directly unless their school provides access, so you typically submit your assignment through your learning system like Canvas, Moodle, or Blackboard, and Turnitin automatically analyzes it in the background. Once the scan is complete, you receive a report that highlights matching sections of your writing and gives a similarity percentage, which teachers use to check for possible plagiarism. In newer versions, Turnitin also includes AI writing detection, which tries to estimate whether parts of your assignment were written by artificial intelligence tools, and this has become one of its most controversial features because it does not just look for copied text, but instead analyzes writing patterns, structure, and predictability. One of the strongest features of Turnitin is its massive database, which makes it very effective at catching direct copy and paste plagiarism from websites, journals, and student papers, and this is why so many universities trust it as a standard tool. Teachers also use its feedback and grading tools to review submissions, leave comments, and manage assignments in one system, which makes it very convenient for institutions. However, when you look at real user feedback in studies, things become more complicated because many students report false positives, where completely original work is flagged as plagiarized or even labeled as AI-generated, especially for students who write in a very formal or structured academic style or for non-native English speakers. Independent reviews and testing also show that while Turnitin is strong at detecting obvious plagiarism and clear AI-generated text, its accuracy becomes less reliable when dealing with paraphrased content or mixed human and AI writing, which means it should not be treated as perfect or final proof of cheating. Some users also mention that students often feel stressed or unfairly judged when relying only on AI detection scores without proper human review from teachers. So overall, the honest truth is that Turnitin is still one of the most powerful plagiarism detection systems in the world, and it is very useful for maintaining academic integrity. But it is not perfect and should always be combined with human judgment instead of being used as the only decision maker. My final opinion is that if you use it the right way, it is a great tool for education. But if you rely on it blindly, it can sometimes lead to unfair results. If this tutorial helped you understand how Turnitin works, make sure to like the video, subscribe, and comment below which AI or academic tool you want me to explain next.